Finally, I conclude the secure, using the secure the term to conclude this project. When secure is a key to implement information security management system. It is a good for remember I developed that. First, you need to have a standardization by IT security policy, organization structure, manual, SOA is a statement of a capability. This standardization is the first S. Second E is effectiveness by your process and procedure effectiveness. See, careless, clean database, user account record, review regularly and systematically. Especially some staff leave your company, you need to clean their account, stop their access control, stop their access and control further the clearance. And then U is a unique identification. It means unique identity of each authorized user and traceable for traceability, unique identification. And R is recovery. We have the disaster recovery site and business continuity plan. Recovery is important. So you must have the backup your information. The last one is efficiency, sustainable discipline, continued improvement, and show your efficiency. Effectiveness and efficiency is come from quality management system. And other is a key for information security. So the cost of information security, cost of the information security is like this one. If you are very high level info security, your cost is very high. But for security incident will be low. But your cost for the security system is high. So we need to find the optimize here. Because we can do many things to increase security, but you need to resource implement. So we find the most effective and efficient one to achieve your acceptable risk and using your resource smartly and efficiently. Okay. I want to share the most new case never attack. How many of you install DeepSeek? How many? Anyone install DeepSeek? Raise your hand. One? No? Oh, you haven't tried. Two? On two? I show you the DeepSeek given the answers more detailed than OpenAI I'm using for you. Just I compare. But once they happen, DeepSeek, they have accepted the three-phase attack. In the first phase, they found HTTP port attack occur in maybe in a junior one, start junior fee, and then large number of port request to connect the DeepSeek, the first one. The second phase, they have major attack by simple surface discovery protocol, SSDP, network time protocol, reflection amplification, and a small amount HTTP proxy attack in this one, in the second phase. But until 25 January at 3 a.m., more than 213 million malicious intrusions per second attack in here suddenly jump. And then they are defense for 18 hours defender pattern in here. And it is in the phase 2. And until the 28 January, the attack automatically generates large number of passwords through the program and using bit force to continue try to log in DeepSeek system in here. So a number of attacks increased sharply and means this phase 3, the layer application layer attacked by simulated normal user behavior. The main attack method was the HTTP proxy attack. It's a rise quickly. After that, it is a 28, and then it's a 13. Two virus botlet. It's a botlet where observed to participate in attack, namely Hewlett bot and Webber bot. Attack involved 118 C2 ports and 16 C2 servers in total, and was divided into two waves from 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. respectively. Very serious attack. Once it erased, it's a continual be attacked by. So if you install at the end of the June year, this year, sometimes you are very difficult to install. I'm failed. I remember I installed failed. What happened? The 38-hour DeepSeek defense battle. So DeepSeek is a startup layer child, and Huawei and 360 antivirus to protect them. So what they do, 360 bring of security using the generative advanced level GAN level to foster a large number of the bit servers in the real time and cause 40% of attack traffic to be lost in the virtual mix. It's a lot attack center, a lot attack. Huawei Ascend AI chip is fully integrated in the vision model, provide powerful technical resource to support this chip. Huawei's cloud computing, Haisan, active voice attention system set a new record to process 1.2 T of traffic per second. So given the traffic in both support. It is a appreciation letter. I see some rep in the February 1. They appreciate the Huawei and also B60 and other company to protect. And from the newspaper, we can see the Alibaba Cloud and this Wang Yi. I don't know the English one. Adjusting the computing power and accumulate the load. And it is a Chai Liao contribute to logistic algorithm to optimize the bandwidth. Ding is a open emergency communications to ensure smooth command. And Vision, I don't know, this is a monitoring company, monitor. So they will share the traffic analytics model. And this Daiwa technology is an AI identified 0.00017% of real user. So almost all China technology companies join together to protect DeepSeek. So it is a legacy of the information security. It's a good story. Okay, maybe I stop here. Any question? Any question? So today I introduced the information security